soldiers ready to protect the nation with courage in every step and patriotism in every heartbeat. Let's salute this brave heart as they represent the strength, sacrifice and honor of our Indian armed forces. A big round of applause for our little soldiers. Kitturu Rani Chennamma. Stepping onto the stage with regal pride and courage, here comes our young warrior, Queen Kitturu Rani Chennamma. Let us honor her legacy today through this powerful portrayal. A big round of applause for the little Ranis who reminds us that bravery begins with belief. Lotus, emerging with elegance and charm. Here comes our little Lotus, India's national flag, blooming with pride and purity. The beautiful symbol of India's heritage and grace. A big round of applause for our blooming stars. I request our Lotus to go back to the position. Jawaharlal Nehru, marching in with a rose of love and a heart full of dreams. Here comes Chacha Nehru, the architect of modern India and a true friend of children. A big round of applause for the symbol of wisdom and warmth. Mango, sweet, golden, and full of sunshine. Here comes our little mango, the little anticipated king of fruit that's loved in every home, every heart, and every summer memory. A big cheer for our mango superstar. I request all the parents to clap. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Even kids. Indira Gandhi. Here comes our little Indira Gandhi, Iron Lady of India, who led the nation with courage and conviction. A proud round of applause for our little leader. Tiger, roaring onto the stage with pride and power. Here comes our little tiger, the majestic guardian of India's forest. They remind us that the true strength lies in balancing between nature and nurture. A thunderous applause for our little tigers. I request all the students to clap and encourage your friends. Lal Bahadur Shastri, simple in appearance, yet mighty in spirit. Here comes our little Lal Bahadur Shastri, the leader who taught us the true strength lies in honesty and humility. With the slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He united the nation, honoring both our soldiers and farmers. A heartfelt of applause for our little Shastri ji. Peacock. Let's welcome this stunning symbol of elegance and spreading color of celebration across our stage, dancing in with dazzling feathers and royal charm, the pride of India and the jewel of nature. A big round of applause for a little peacock. Onake Obava. Let's welcome this young warrior spirit, reminding us that strength comes not from weapons, but from the will to protect what we love. A thunderous applause for our fearless defender of Chitradurga, Onake Obava. Gandhiji, walking in with a stick of strength and heart full of peace with her. Here comes our little Gandhiji, the father of our nation and the soul of India's freedom struggle. A warm round of applause for our little Bapu. Ambedkar, marching in with the strength of knowledge and the voice of equality. Here comes our young Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the man who gave India its constitution and the millions of the dignity. A big round of applause for our young Baba Saheb. Mother Teresa, dressed in white and wrapped in kindness. Here comes our little Mother Teresa, an angel of mercy who taught the world that small acts can love can heal great pain. A warm round of applause for our little Mother Teresa. Subhash Chandra Bose. Here comes our young Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the lion-hearted leader who wrote, "Give me blood and I'll give you freedom." A thunderous round of applause for our young Netaji. Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, wrapped in royal grace and armed with unyielding courage. Here comes our young Rani of Jhansi, who remind us that age and gender are no barriers when the cause is just and the heart is brave. A roaring round of applause for Young Rani Lakshmi Bai. Police, let's welcome these brave officers who stand tall for the guardian of law, the protectors of peace and the symbol of justice. A big round of applause for our young protectors in uniform. The soul of India, the mother of every citizen and the heartbeat of our land.